Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Source's classes. Today I am solving PUMDET, that means Presidency University Master Degree Entrance Test Economics 2024 paper solution. If you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Source himself reply to your query individually through WhatsApp. So in PUMDET examination, we need to first know the approach of how to solve this question in tricky way. So already all you want know that Dr. Sauce's class is the best coaching institution for any type of economics entrance examination. So don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Sauce's classes because of that, and we can provide maximum discount on this course now. So this is the best time to take admission in Dr. Source's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav Sir. So let's start with question number 12. What will you say? Question number 12. The distribution of heights of American women aged 18 to 24 approximately normally distributed with a mean of 65.5 inches and the standard deviation of 2.5 inches. Calculate the Z score of a woman 6 feet tall. How can I solve this question? To calculate this Z score woman to 6 feet tall, we need to calculate the height into inches and then use the Z score formula. Convert the height from feet to inches. 6 feet, that means 1 feet, that means 12 inches. So 6 feet, that means 6 into 12, that means 72 inches. Okay, and 72 inches. And what is the formula of Z score? Z equals to capital X minus mu divided by sigma. What is capital X here? Capital X is the value of height we are comparing to the mean. Okay, what is the value of, what is mu here? Mu means mean height. What is sigma here? Sigma means standard deviation. Okay, so substitute this value, that means x equals to, what is the value of x here? The value of x is here 72 inches. Mean deviation, that means mean height, that means 65.5 inches. What is the value of standard deviation? That is 2.5 inches. So we can put this value, Z equals to 72 minus 65.5 divided by 2.5. Okay, so calculate this. What will be the value here? 6.5 divided by 2.5, that means 2.6. So the Z score is here 2.6. What will be the correct option here? Option C will be the correct option here. To know more such tricks, share this video to your friends and your family and stay connected with us. And to get notification of all our video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. We will meet you next session soon. Thank you.